Hey everyone, my name is Adam Salam, and today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Navigate system to make an appointment for tutoring. We're going to go ahead and click on my bookmark here to show you an example of what the Navigate system looks like. Username and password. To get into the Navigate system from scratch, you can open up Google and type KSUEAB, hit enter. You can go to where it says KSU Appointments. Click on that, and this is where you can see how you can make an appointment with a lot of different colleges and schools within KSU. We're going to choose College of Computing and Software Engineering. Also takes us right back to the same screen we were looking at. To log in, your username will be your net ID. So mine is a Salam 3. And that's usually the beginning of your email. And then I'm going to log in with my password. Hopefully first time's a charm. Fantastic. Here, this is what the Navigate student portal looks like. You'll see all the classes that you're taking this semester, the teachers that you have over here and over here. You can see upcoming appointments when you've made appointments, and then you see this big blue button on the top right here that says schedule an appointment. You can say schedule an appointment by clicking on it. Then it's going to take you through a step-by-step process. So we can go through what type of appointment would you like to schedule. We can go all the way to tutoring. And you can also make advising appointments this way and other types of appointment services. We're going to click on tutoring. And we're going to say pick a service or category. We want to pick College of Computing and Software Engineering. Pick a service for your appointment. This is where you can choose between the different classes and languages that you're taking. We have C#, C# with Unity for game design students, C++ for engineers, for data structure students, even computer org and arc. Tutoring. Data structures has its own tutoring section, and Java's all the way down here. Most of you are taking Java 1321, 1322, I think. So we're going to click on Java just as an example. We're going to hit next. Then we're going to pick a location for your appointment. There's only one that exists right now, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be the case for the rest of the semester. Just because you're picking Atrium doesn't mean that you have to go to the Atrium or your appointment will be at the Atrium. This is 100% online this summer. All of your appointments will be done through Collaborative Ultra, and you'll be joining a virtual room with the person that you created your tutoring appointment with. But you got to choose this location anyways because it's the only one available. So just keep in mind, everything's still going to be online. You're just choosing this location by default. Then you pick a staff member. You can pick a specific person that you like, or you can leave it as any staff, and it'll pick the first available person that you want for your time slot. But we're going to pick myself, just as an example. Hit next. Then this is where you can pick a time slot that you want to make an appointment with that individual. You can make appointments several days in advance. You can see you just keep going and going. We're going to go ahead and make an appointment to complete this process. So we'll make an appointment for Friday afternoon, and I just so happen to only be available from 9 p.m. to 9:30. I go all the way to 10, but you can't make an appointment with me at 10 because that's when it closes. So the earliest you can make an appointment, or the latest you can make an appointment with me is 9:30, and the earliest is 8 p.m. Let's choose 8 p.m. Next. And then this is all the details. Who's doing the appointment? Adam Salam. And then, I guess, confusingly also, I'm the one that's giving the appointment. We could also go back and change that just to make it a little less confusing. So instead of making an appointment with myself, I can pick one of my coworkers to make an appointment. Good old Eduardo. Next. I will choose Ed is also available in the evening. 4 p.m. sounds like a great time. And here we are. Who's doing the appointment? I am, Adam Salam. And who's it with? Eduardo Figueroa. And what are we doing? We're doing Java. And then the where, obviously, we had to pick Atrium, but again, it's going to be through collaborative ultra virtually online. So don't worry about going to a physical location. It tells us a date and time, and then you can put a comment here saying, I am working with Java assignment 1 on this specific type of programming, like classes or methods, or I'm trying to learn how to write to the console, that kind of stuff. And then when you're finished, you can hit confirm appointment. And I'm not going to do that because I don't want to make an appointment with Eduardo right now. And then you hit the home button you can cancel out of all of that. Hit the home button, you're back to the main screen. And yeah, that's how you make an appointment on Navigate with the KSU EAB system. Thank you.